Barrier Cream for ostomy care. Barrier cream forms a gentle, breathable protective layer on the skin surrounding the stoma, preventing direct contact with moisture, discharge, and adhesive surfaces. It helps reduce redness, irritation, inflammation, and friction, keeping the skin calm, healthy, and protected under ostomy appliances. Features:
creates a thin and durable protective layer on the skin, reduces irritation and inflammation caused by stoma output, helps soothe and maintain moisture balance of the peristomal skin, does not interfere with the adhesion of the baseplate or ostomy pouch, suitable for daily and long-term use. Directions for use. Step 1. Gently clean and dry the skin around the stoma. Step 2. Apply a small amount of cream in a thin, even layer to the peristomal area. Step 3. Allow 30 to 60 seconds for the cream to set and absorb. Step 4. Place the ostomy baseplate or pouch as usual.